Hello, it's me, Anton Kolonin. Today we are going to talk about the new Aigents release. The Aigents release of the version, let's see what version we are talking about. What your version? Okay, it's going to be version 1.8.0. And in order to see what's new in this version, we are going to have two different Aigents accounts. So one Aigents account is on the left, it is associated with MedMind Siberian, and the next Aigents account is on the right, and it is associated with account for Mind Researcher. And in this release we are going to see how you can share the news. So it's an existing feature that once you have your own agent find a news for you, you can set up your news sharing to all of your friends on your connections. But now you can also create your own news. So you can author your own content, you can create new news items, and these new items will be shared with your friends the same way as you are sharing them as the news found by your agent are shared automatically. So here there is a MedMind Siberian is a guy who is going to create the news, and the Mind Researcher will be a guy who will be getting the news. But this guy currently has no friends. So we need to have a friend connection to the guy on the left, so the guy on the right can get news from the guy on the left. So let's just create a new connection, and the name is going to be MedMind, and we hope it will see the one. Okay, so here is MedMind Siberian, it's found. So and we can now get news from this guy. So let's go to the guy on the left and let's create some great content. For example, let's just take some link and click on plus, and as text will be that there is enough space in the world for every great country, and click OK, and there is a news appearing here. And if you go to news here, we'll see the news appearing in the feed of the Mind Researcher. So once we have created new content for this guy, by this guy actually on the left, the guy on the right is immediately getting the same content shared. And if the guy on the right likes this comment or content, it can actually check it. So the agent of the guy on the right will learn that this is kind of great content, and it will keep finding more great content like that in the future. But also, besides the web user interface for Aigents, we can also see the same behavior in the Slack. So the other screen that we see here is the tab which actually has context of the same guy connected to Aigents bot in the Slack application, and we can see that the same content is being pushed to the Slack. So we get notification in the Slack appearing here. Now let's try to make sure that the guy on the right can also share the content with the guy on the left. Again, so back to France, we see that there is MedMind Siberian here, and we have both checkbox checked. So checkbox on the left means that we really would like get news from the other guy, and the checkbox on the right says that we would like to share the information with this guy. So let's create some other content, and let's search for some great content. For instance, let's let it be news.yahoo.com. Yeah, so let's just share this link, and let's create the content like just news at Yahoo. Yaha. And as you see, you can share the content just typing it into the input line. Okay, you see there is news item as news at Yaha and the link. And notice there is a alert from the Telegram channel. And that's because I have also Telegram application running here, and this Telegram application is the same, is actually on the same account as the guy on the left, and I have the information appearing on the channel with Aigents on Telegram. So Aigents bot is updating me that there is some news created by some other guy, and this news is about news at Yaha. So you can create news on the web channel of Aigents, and the updates of the news can be shared to the web channels or Slack channels or Telegram channels of the other users. And by the way, you can also use Facebook channel. So let's go to the Facebook and let's make sure we can talk to Aigents bot on the Facebook. Let's talk to. There you go. So let's make sure we have email notifications, actually bot notification turned on. What my Facebook notification. Okay, my Facebook notification is turned off. So let's turn it on. My Facebook notification true. Now I will be getting notifications from Facebook. So now let me go try to find some other news. Let me find some news from Singularity.net and share them. And let's just share the news that let me just create a new content that Singularity.net has released beta 2 version. And let me put the link here and go. Okay, so we see the update is live on the Facebook Messenger. So we see notification is coming to the Facebook Messenger channel. It is also coming to the Aigents bot on Telegram, and we can also see it is in the news. And if we like this news, we can check it, and it will be used to train my personal agent. And if we dislike the news, like we dislike news on the Yaha, we just remove it. So stay tuned with us and keep updates, keep getting updates on the Aigents on our channel on Facebook. And go to Telegram and use Aigents bot, or again go to Facebook Messenger and use the same Aigents bot on the Messenger. Finally, just to make sure that you can create news and share news, keep in mind the following. If you want to have your news to be received from your friend, make sure you check the left and or right checkbox. The checkbox on the left is indicating that you can receive the news from this friend. So you share the news to your friend enough so you can get information from him or her. And news on the right means that you want to share your news to friend. That means that all content that is found by your own personal agent will be shared to this friend and will be delivered to inbox of this friend, to the news feed of this friend, or to the Facebook or Telegram or Slack messenger of this friend, where Aigents bot, if they trust you on their side. So in order to content travel from you to your friend and the other way around, both of you have to establish, share and trust relationships to each other using this box. Otherwise the information may go just only one way or the other way. So stay tuned and talk to you another time, and welcome to the Aigents project, and follow us on the Facebook and on the Medium. So our Medium channel is Aigents at Medium, and all our major updates are delivered right to that great news source. Thank you and stay in touch. Bye.